Hello all and welcome back to a super quick overview of Normfest DPF100 solution. As you can imagine, getting the block DPF light on your dash can be absolute pain, so I picked this up for £40 from Euros. Here you can see the packaging and its many warnings and instructions for safe usage. The basic instructions are sprayed directly into your DPF as a chemical based cleaner. If you decide to purchase this, I would suggest having a good read of the instructions as I am no mechanic. The car in this demonstration is an older BMW 3 Series, so a 22mm oxygen sensor tool will do the job nicely. Once removed and sensor unplugged, you can assess the sensor. In my case, this has been recently replaced, so not much to see. The rated lifespan is typically 100,000 miles. Feed the straw into the DPF the oxygen sensor hole and spray in bursts until empty. At this point, I did run into the issue of the canister being damaged in storage, meaning the pressure had escaped, so it took a while. Start the engine at idle 15 minutes to clear the smoke and then regen the filter through driving or preferably through a scan tool for a more consistent clean. Overall, the product did clear the DPF light, however in my case the blockage was severe, so the effects were very temporary, and after a month the light did come back on. If the blockage was light, then this likely would have fixed the issue, so I'll still give it a thumbs up. I think this would be great as a preventive measure.